In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Shopify store's checkout experience by adding upsells and banners, all without writing a single line of code. Let's dive right in and make your online store even more effective at driving sales and increasing your average order value. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Apps section, which you can easily find on the left-hand side of your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in the Apps section, there's a search bar available. Type in Essential Upsell into this bar. As you do this, various results will pop up, and you'll want to click on the one labeled Essential Upsell, which will take you to its page in the Shopify App Store. On the App Store page, you'll see an option to install the app. Go ahead and click on the Install button, and Shopify will begin the process of adding it to your store. Once the installation is complete, return to the left panel in your admin dashboard. You'll notice that Essential Upsell now appears under the App section. Click on it to start configuring the app. Before proceeding to set up your upsells, it's crucial to activate the app embed within Shopify. This step ensures that the app can integrate seamlessly with your store's checkout process. Once the app embed is activated, you're ready to create your first upsell offer. Click on the Create Offer button, which is the gateway to configuring your tailored upsells. As you set up your offer, the first decision you'll need to make is regarding its placement. Where do you want this upsell to appear in your customer's shopping journey? This could be on a product page, at checkout, or perhaps in the cart section. Choose the offer placement that best fits your sales strategy. Next, select the type of offer you wish to present to your customers. It could be a simple product suggestion or perhaps a discount on a related item. After configuring the offer to your satisfaction, go ahead and click the Publish button. This action makes the offer live on your store, so your customers can start seeing and interacting with it immediately. Now that your upsell offer is active, it's important to test it out to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Navigate to your live Shopify store and go through the process as a customer would, checking that the upsell appears at the right moment and that it operates smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully added an engaging upsell and banner to your Shopify store, which should help enhance the customer experience and boost sales. Thanks for following along, and happy selling.